Hello, hello. May peace and blessings be with you. I cannot contain my happiness. I am taking you behind the scenes today to show you my newly designed course portal. I know, I just got done finishing it and I am just so excited that I want to share. I want to share what it looks like. Well, a couple of years ago, if somebody said I would be doing this in a couple of years, I would have thought they were crazy. But here we are. Here's where I'm at and having lots and lots of fun. I did not think that I would be coaching coaches on how to build online businesses, how to build their online programs, how to create their offers, package them, and help them with building all of the tech behind the scenes. But here we are. I almost feel like we're just getting started and we're having so much fun. My team is so super amazing. They make all of this possible. I'm going to share in a little bit how beautiful all the graphics and everything looks with this new program. It was such a blast meeting with the Mastermind group this morning. We talked about clarifying their business idea. We explored it in several different ways. It was a lot of fun having those conversations and how we can layer in all of our passions and our skills to serve the best clients, our favorite clients, our ideal clients that we want to be working with. Okay, if you're here with me live, definitely hop in, say hello, let me know you're here. It's been a little bit of a crazy day with all the rain and all the wind and everything. In the afternoon, I felt that my desk was shaking at one point. I'm like, that does not feel good. I was a bit scared, but things are looking better, feeling better. I have not stepped outside today, so I don't really know how bad it was outside, but from in here, it sounded pretty bad. I hope that you're all safe and staying indoors and keeping safe from this rain and all this wind. Okay, should we get started? Should I show you what I did? Okay, I'm so excited. Did I say I was excited? I'm excited. Okay, so this is what the course portal looks like. We are able to do a lot of customization with this platform. It's pretty amazing. Let me see if I can get rid of the logo from the top right. So it's not covering the screen. Okay, so in here, I was able to add, the call replays. And one other thing I tried. So in the last round of my mastermind, I created the worksheets. I am such an Excel nerd, right? I use Google Sheets for a lot of our worksheets. And the reasoning behind doing that was I wanted to keep everything very organized and see everybody's answers all in one place. So if I give everybody a Google Doc to write their answers and things like that, then I basically have separate documents for every person. And the group members are also not going into each other's files to look at their answers and stuff like that. I want to kind of see everything together. So I used a Google Sheet for that. So this time I've taken it a step further. So I built the questions in a Google form. When people fill out the form, then their answers go into a Google spreadsheet. And I've made the spreadsheet available inside the course itself as well. That way people can enter their answers independently and they're not bothered by, all the crazy formatting and having to navigate a spreadsheet. They're just entering their answers in a form. And then they also can turn around and see the answers, their answers and their peers' answers in a spreadsheet. So it's pretty cool. I really like it. I think I'm going to probably do this more often going forward because I really like this process. Okay, so that's that. This is where I've posted basically the questionnaire form and the answers get stored in a spreadsheet here. This is what the form looks like. And I just have, several questions for them to answer. And my team did such a nice job of building these thumbnails and graphics and things like that. This is what we're doing. They're all built in Canva, and then we have imported them for, course thumbnails or lesson thumbnails, category thumbnails, all that good stuff. So it's all pretty cool. I am also adding some additional resources in here for people to check out, and it is all quite nice. So if this is something you're interested in, two things. If you're interested in joining the program, I'm going to share the link This makes me so happy. Dreambelievelaunch.com. If you go there, you can check out what the program is all about. In 12 weeks, we're going from having no lead magnets, no social media following, to helping you with your launching your first program and building everything along the way, right? Building your first program, offering it and launching it and serving your ideal clients, and then learning from that experience. Because I'm an agile certified practitioner, I love bringing all of the learning forward with us, right? The good, the bad, the ugly, all of it, and using that to keep making progress, keep reiterating on that idea, and until it is successful, right? When you're consistent, when you're persistent, success becomes inevitable. So that is the process we're following. So if you join the mastermind, you get to work with me for a whole year. So every week you get to mastermind with me once a week, where we figure out what it is that you're going after. Are you utilizing your skills, your passions, and also picking something that your ideal clients are looking for? And then on a different day during the week, we get together and I show you all of the tech, all of the step-by-step instructions of how to build the thing. So we'll build the lead magnet together. We'll build your sales funnel together. We'll basically build your social media and your email marketing and all of that together, step by step, in 12 weeks. And then you'll get to launch your programs and have success with it. And then you'll come back and you will want to launch 3 more programs this year with me. So if you join, you're also going to get access to me over Voxer, and you also have access to us via email, to me and my team. So super exciting. Okay, so that is it. Let me see. Is there anything else I want to talk about? I can also share this link if you are interested but not sure if this program is right for you or not. Please book a call with me. I am not a pushy salesperson. I will answer all your questions and then you can make an informed decision if this program is right for you or not. If I know of a different resource that would be more aligned with what you're doing or wanting to do, or the phase of business you're in, I will happily share that with you as well. So that link is techtalkwithtimmy.com/simplifytech. And I hope to either see you on a call with me or inside my mastermind. So we're just getting started. We are having fun. We had our first call this morning. We had our kickoff call last Friday where we were just going over introductions and, what we're going to be doing and all that good stuff. So this morning is when we really looked at clarifying your business idea. And that was a lot of fun. Lots of really amazing conversations. Okay, friends, I am going to go figure out what we're having for dinner, and I will be back tomorrow. Not sure what time, but at some point I will be back. If you have any questions, reach out to me, schedule your call, and we'll go from there. May peace and blessings be with you. Please stay safe out there, stay indoors as much as possible, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.